Stand by for the latest episode of the Biz News Flash Briefing. The latest news from the world of business and investments.
South Africa's government spent 49 billion rand on contracts linked to the Gupta family. This is the estimate compiled by Shadow World Investigations, a London-based non-governmental organisation. It shared these details with the judicial inquiry into state capture on Monday in Johannesburg. The Guptas and Zuma have denied any wrongdoing. South Africa's biggest healthcare service provider, Netcare, has reported a 62% drop in profit for the 6 months to March the 31st. Adjusted headline earnings per share, which is the main profit measure for South African companies, fell to 27.30 Rand from 71.70 Rand in the same period a year earlier. Telkom has promised to revise its plans to suspend its dividend after it reported a jump in annual profit. The partly state-owned operator had announced it would suspend dividends for 3 years from the 2021 financial year. This was in order to conserve cash for radio frequency spectrum auctions and other expenditure. But a new policy will now be announced at its interim results in November. 3 researchers from China's Wuhan Institute of Virology became sick enough in November 2019 that they sought hospital care. This is according to a previously undisclosed US intelligence report that could add weight to growing calls for a fuller probe of whether the COVID-19 virus may have escaped from the laboratory. The disclosure of the number of researchers, the timing of their illnesses, and their hospital visits come on the eve of a meeting of the World Health Organization's decision-making body, which is expected to discuss the next phase of an investigation into COVID-19's origins. That's according to BizNews premium partner, The Wall Street Journal. And that was your BizNews Flash Briefing. I'm Jackie Cameron for BizNews. For more on those and the other big stories of the day, do visit biznewsradio.com.
You've been listening to the Biz News Flash Briefing, bringing you the latest news from the world of business and investments. Subscribe to Biz News Radio on iTunes, Spotify, Amazon, or by visiting biznews.com.